This will be a speed test between the Huawei Mate 20 Pro versus the OnePlus 6T. Now the Mate 20 Pro, this one has the Kirin 980 and 6 gigs of RAM. OnePlus 6T has the Snapdragon 845 and this one has a whopping 8 gigs of RAM. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has a faster boot up. Let's go. Very close on the boot up, but I'm gonna give the slight edge to the Mate 20 Pro. And we are in! Nothing open in the background on both. As you can see, all caches have been cleared. So let's get started with the Messages app. Very close. Camera. Mate 20 on that one, I think. Clock on both. Start the stopwatch on this and leave that running in the background. Chrome on both phones. Search for GSM Arena. Go. Looking at the progress bar, call that one a draw. Scroll to the bottom and go to the desktop version. Call that one a draw again. Pinch to zoom. Nice and fast on the OnePlus 6T. Mate 20 Pro, nice and butter. Leave it on this page. Calculator on both. Very similar performance. Play Store. Ooh, very close. Click on this one. Amazon. I don't know, man. Maybe the Mate 20 Pro by a little bit. eBay. Very close again. Again, maybe the Mate 20 Pro by a split second. Click on this Samsung Gear. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. Give this to the Mate 20. Tap to begin. Temple Run 2. Ooh, looks like the Mate 20 is out in front. And give this to the Huawei. Don't know what that is. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. Ooh, looks like the Mate 20 Pro is ahead. Will the 6T catch it? No, it does not. And give this to the Mate 20 Pro. Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 Legends. Ooh, very close, but I'm gonna give this to the Huawei. Get rid of this pop-up, tap to play. PUBG. Ooh, looks like the 6T is ahead. Both are loading right now. Very close. And give this to the 6T by just a little bit. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, both are neck and neck. Wow. Ooh, maybe the Mate 20 Pro? Oh, so close. But maybe the Mate 20 by a split second. Twitter. Mate 20, Instagram, Draw, Snapchat, Mate 20. On a side note, I do have the gaming mode turned on the OnePlus 6T, just to let you know. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. So let's just see what happens right now. Starting with Instagram, good to go. Twitter, good to go also. Grand Theft Auto, still in RAM. PUBG, ready to play. Asphalt 9, ready to play also. Angry Birds 2, Temple Run 2, paused and ready to resume. Mario Run, same place. eBay, Still on the same place on the 6T, a little bit of a refresher on the Mate 20 Pro. Amazon. Ooh, a little bit of a lag here on the Mate 20. Play Store. And the Mate 20 seems to be reloading. Might be the difference between the 6 gigs of RAM and the 8 on the OnePlus 6T. Calculator, same place. Chrome. Still on GSM Arena. Clock, still running the stopwatch. The camera. And the Messages app. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you on team OnePlus, rocking the OnePlus 6T, the OnePlus 6, or even the 5T from last year? These phones coming in with excellent specs at a reasonable price. Or do you have yourself the Huawei Mate 20 Pro? This one coming in with a massive 40 megapixel camera, a very nice curved display, stereo speakers, a massive 4200 mAh battery, and this one is the blue and purple colorway, which looks pretty nice. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.